Hey guys, it's Mike from Trade the Fifth Wave. Uh, it is Thursday, November 18th, 2021. It is 7:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it is time for today's quick hit. So every day I do a coffee and stocks video that goes out and an email and onto the Discord group. Immediately after I finished, I just uploaded that. And then I like to do this little quick hit thing and put it out for everybody to see. Now, the coffee and stocks video it's just for the subscribers to either the email or the Discord channel, and then later on in the day, around one or two or three, I make it public for everybody to see. You can go back in the channel and look at them. If you're interested in seeing more like this, you can click the link in the bottom of this video. It will take you to Fiverr. Fiverr is a service-based organization where you go in there and you say, "Hey, I want to try this guy's gig," as they call it, and which is my service, be it the email or the Discord channel, and you say, yes, I want to try that, and you pay Fiverr. Fiverr then holds that money, and till such time as you believe I'm going to do what I say I'm going to do, and I'm uh, not going to be a scam or anything like that. And then once you believe that I'm doing what I'm saying I'm going to do, they go ahead and release the money to me. So it's a great way to protect your money, and it protects you, it protects me, and it protects everybody involved. But that all said, if you're interested in that, hit the or check out the link in the description below. But in the meantime, we're going to talk about VOSO. This one just popped up on the scanner. Uh, Post market, pre market, it ran up beautifully, posted a nice wave three high, decent wave four low. So right now, if you look at the price tag at 1123, 1124 ish with a 1324 minimum target. I think I decided that is 17% in there. Yeah, it's right at 17%. So from where we're at right now to where we're going, that is a 17% price window in there. So is it done pulling back? It might be. It's kind of hard to tell. Could it pull back a little deeper? It might. If we looked at it on some other time frames, on the 5 minute, it is extremely overbought. So it may, in fact, be. Uh, and my zoom's not working on the other time frames that you can't see. Oh, yeah, it might be at the bottom. Actually, no, I don't think it is. Uh, on the 5 minute time frame, I'll just show you. On the 5 minute time frame, as soon as it populates, we had a wave 2 high, so we're looking for a wave 4 low, or I'm sorry, wave 3 low, which means we'll have a wave 4 pullback and a wave 5 low. That would be where I would believe. Now, that's not a prediction of price point, I'm just showing you how it works. So, with that be while it's looking for a wave 3 low, once it turns around, it will post a wave 4 high, and then it will fall off again. And after that next pullback and the next bottom would be the wave 5 low for it. And then we're going to turn around on that 30-minute time frame. And so that's telling me that by the time this is done dropping, we'll have more than 17%. We will have 18, 19, 20% in here, or maybe even a little bit more. So that's quick hit for today. I hope you guys make some money off that. I think it's a very solid play. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, subscribe, and the share part's most important to me as I try and grow this channel. I'll do this. This part of it's completely free. Nobody's asking you for a penny for this video and all that. Uh, if you're interested in seeing the coffee and stocks video, the way they come out, they're usually around an hour to an hour and 15 minutes long. I typically curtail about 20 stocks a day. Uh, and just have that emailed to you right now at this time is $10 a month, or the live Discord channel where I trade live just like this. You get to see the screen just like this and hear my lovely, wonderful voice just like this. It's $25 a month. And when you think about that, it's less than $1 a day. The coffee and stocks video is less than 50 cents a day. Uh, it's actually less than that. Anyway, we're not here to do math lessons. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I hope you make $1 million today. Good luck.